Welcome. In this video I will show you how to disable Windows security. If you want to do this temporarily, you have to open the start menu and then start typing virus. And once you find virus and threat protection, open this settings and then scroll down to virus and threat protection settings, select manage settings, and then to disable your Windows security or Windows Defender, switch the toggle to the left and then switch it to the right whenever you have finished your task. Now if you want to do this, if you want to permanently disable the Windows security, you have to use the combination of Windows and R buttons pressed simultaneously. This will open the run program, and here you're gonna have to enter gpedit.msc, then press OK, and then once you see this window, on the left side of the window, expand the administrative templates next to computer configuration, then expand Windows components, and then find Microsoft Defender Antivirus. Click in this folder, and then on the right side of this window, select turn off Microsoft Defender Antivirus. In order to disable your security, select enabled right here, then click apply, then OK, and then close this window. And after that, you're gonna have to go to the start menu, power options, and restart your computer in order to apply changes. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.